So your nephew, how old he was then time there?
Maybe about 5.
5 year old?
Yeah.
Okay.
When as happened to him, maybe he was about 5.
And him live with mama, which is your
Yes,
mother.
yes, he live with we.
Which is with a common thing in a them time there,
Yeah,
right?
for grandparents and our first grand.
Oh, that was our first grandchild from your
Yes,
sister.
yes,
And she raised him.
yes. She have
Okay.
him from him
From him little?
born.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So this lady was living on the same street where my sister lived, but she lived a little above up the road. She used to sell orange every Sunday morning. She go sell orange, and she died. So my sister now goes like she go somewhere one morning and she leave the children them at home, but the house very near to the road, near to the
Where
road.
your sister lived near to
Yeah,
the road.
yes, near to the road. So, but that a road where car and so driving a foot walker, and it's like the children then come out of the yard, no, come out in the road in playing, and with this saying now, them say the dead woman coming up the lane now with her orange, and she say the children are in the road and they never want to come out of the road. So what she do? Because she da eat her orange, and she give my nephew
The
piece of the
the
orange.
5 year old,
Yeah.
which was yes, yeah, the same nephew where your mother raised.
Yes.
Him there by him mother.
Yes.
So him out there with him other brother
With
and
him
sister
brother and
them
his sister in
a
the
play.
road. 3 of
Okay.
them was out there.
Mm-hmm.
So the lady give him piece of the orange.
The lady who is the Duppy,
The Duppy woman.
the Duppy woman with the orange, she give him the orange.
Yeah, she give him piece of the orange and he eat the orange.
So you know say she give him the
Wait,
orange.
no, we'll come to that part, man. So he eat the orange. So eventually, couple days after, my sister see him a get sick,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like she don't even know what to do to him, but she might get sick. So what she do? She send him down to my mother. She send him down to my mother. So when he come down to my mother now, my mother carry him to the doctor and then something there, but him still not get nowhere. He might get sicker than sicker than sicker. And one night now, I can't forget, this is real, real. We sleep, we were in the house sleeping, and before the morning, because my mother bad pan the scene did up with them, and she, as minute that spirit coming at the house, she know.
Mm-hmm.
So in this time now, and in the night, she have a big white mug, and we always full that with water carrying. That's when we want water for drink in the night.
Mm.
You get water to drink in the night. I see my mother fly up and take the jug up with the cup with the water, and she open the door and flush the water out, and she call her by name. My mother called the Duppy woman by name,
Mm.
and until I said, "Come out, come out," and she rebuke her out, and then now my mother say, it's like say my mother in a dream. And because she said the Duppy woman come, I say she see the woman, they have one big flowers by the gate.
Mm.
So she said she see the woman in her dream by the flowers, the flowers. And then the woman tell her say, she come for Leighton.
That are your nephew.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
She come for my little nephew. Because she a go up the lane and then stand up in the road and then want to give her pass. So she give him the orange.
Oh.
And
So someone find out say that go on.
so we find out so mama find out as that go on, that's why the little
Okay.
boy I get sick.
Mm-hmm.
So mama no stupid, So after mama grab the bucket and the water and dash it on her and rebuke her and roll her away. And the little boy gets sick now, you know, real sick. And the next thing, you see Franny eat the orange, he never talk.
Same dumb story like your brother?
Never talk again.
And he used to talk before?
Yeah. Never talk. Franny eat the orange. Franny in contact.
Franny contact with when
with
he
the
go there.
spirit.
So,
He never attack.
Wow.
And anyway, mama get sensible, so mama go to one of the spiritual lady. And mama carry him to one of the spiritual lady. And the lady look after him. But yeah, the lady look after him.
And this after she go a doctor with him and all of them stuff.
Yeah, after she came my doctor first.
And can't
get no better.
Okay.
And the lady look after him. And come home and mama give him what you know, help him with whatsoever the lady say. And the next time when him to go back to the lady, my mother couldn't go. So my mother said, me and my sister.
That time mother?
Yes, with him. And you know, sir, we never know where the place is. But she direct way. And that was there and he listen everything where mama have to say. And even when we reach out on crossroad, we ask people and they say if we go down the road so and the house up on the hillside. And you know, as soon as we reach the gate, the little boy just take it and pine so. And show we say see the house there.
Which house is this when I go to?
That we're carrying back to the spiritual lady.
Oh. But we never know where the lady
But we
live.
never know where the place is. Like first time when I go to this place. And we go with the lady and the lady man.
So this little 5-year-old boy, your nephew, I'm a pint of show now where we go?
As soon as we reach the lady gate, he just take it and pint so. But him never talk.
Oh.
And sure we say right there,
so
we're supposed to go. And when we go, I'm gonna tell you if you see the little lady, you know. A little lady, you know.
Short?
Yeah.
Like small stature. Yeah,
small in body, little bit, and she whole. I'm gonna tell you, the lady really help him, you know. Really lady help.
Oh, in a what way?
By giving him the right medicine, because she say if him not vomit out but the orange, he not go live.
Oh.
He have to vomit out the orange. I tell you, the lady give him some medicine, see, if you see some yellow something when vomit. You know, just like how the orange inside yellow.
Yeah.
I saw him vomit up the yellow. Him vomit.
That at the same time when you know they at the place and she do her shit.
No, when she carry more.
After you carry more, so when you give the medicine, my throat.
Yeah, vomit out back. Because she say if you not vomit it out, you not going to live.
Oh, so the Duppy, the orange or Duppy game,
and that
I kill him. So I have to carry it up back to survive.
Yeah. And she did help him. She did and because after him vomit up back all the orange and all them something, he started to talk.
Yeah. This all long after from the incident happened to him get the treatment them and vomit up and how long this lasts?
Well, him never sick for long, like say sick for year. No. Him never because you know mama jump on it right away.
Immediately,
right away. As soon as he gets sick and the mother send him to mama jump on it right away. And then at the same night, when the mother send him to mama, at the same night the Duppy come follow him.
Oh, say him she come for.
Yes.
Oh, so that's it because mama get that now. Mama know what to do.
Yeah, because when the Duppy come now, can tell mama what happened. Mama know exactly.
So and after him vomit up, then something in talk immediately after.
Me not remember if he talk immediately after, but anyway, in talk.
He come round to when start to
Yes,
talk
in
again.
talk and come back normal.
And never sick in the sickness.
In come back normal, but I don't know. This is a puzzle that we can understand because after he get that sick, he come down so thin, and then he must have script, then must have vomit up all these things in his stomach, and then like say when he get better now from the spirit, he still feel sick. When he came to the doctor, they say him have heart problem.
So the heart problem come after him get better from the
Yes, when he get better, he get let me say he get better from the spirit. No spirit not upon him no more. But it's like it leave a effect
pan
him because him never get back fat.
And he was a fat, he was
He never a
boy
fat
have
person,
weight pan
but
him.
yes. But him and them thin. And then now him still get sick. But so we carry him to the doctor now, and the doctor say he develop a heart problem.
Oh.
So they've been treating him for the heart from all this time now because him dead when him 10.
So 5 years after the Duppy incident,
Yeah,
him
dead when him 10 years, and the reason because him do a heart transplant and everything.
eh?
Yes, and him survive and come on good going
Tap
to
lick the setting.
he come on good until he was going to school. After
So
he
him
do
get
this,
back good and
yes,
something.
after he do the surgery, he get good. But Mama never used to make him leave out her sight. It was like one like a young baby for my mother
Because she know he's sickly.
right, she don't want nobody to rough him. She don't want nobody to lick him or whatsoever. He was a sweet little boy, and in doing surgery and in come get better, in good and come back, but him rheumatic fever, and once you get sick with your heart and like you do the surgery and so, you cannot get that fever.
So with the heart surgery, the transplant, the fever that knock him off.
You cannot get that fever, and him like me maybe I think he missing medication and the fever, he get the fever
and that make him gone.
make him
When was just 10-year old, and that was your sister first child.
first child. Was a sweet little boy, may I tell you, sweet little boy.
You remember him face right now?
Yeah, right.
You remember him face?
Without a picture, but remember, nice.
It am picture you can remember them something from Wappy Kill Filler, but you can't remember nothing what me said. You can't remember nothing what happened last week, but you can't remember the things them way back.
Yes, the tragedy what happened to my family them. We can't remember everything because even a same sister there. We have a story about she.
Yeah, me know Etty. So left that one there for next time. Left that one there for next time.
So maybe the people might say we talk about the Duppy story, but we just enlighten them to know say who will not believe in a Duppy story. It's real. It's real.
Yeah. But you see that I think Nana. You see when it comes to that thing, I just see a culture because many people might hear them something and them that's a foolishness. They're just superstitious. But we were living at it and go through it, and you have been and experienced it. We know, so you can't really tell a man what to believe. You're not gonna believe when you want to believe. But we from especially the Caribbean culture and Jamaica, we know, because we see them sing there, we experience them something there. Because me see things too. Me might not see as much as where you see and go through where you go through, but me been through certain things and see certain things. So nobody can tell me say them things then not they both.
Yeah,
you have good and you have evil. You have evil spirits and you have good spirits. You see me and up with them, man. But I'm glad to hear, when me say we just share life stories, and that one of the story them boy you look at nephew, but or Duppy feed him the bad
Feed him
orange,
with the
no?
orange.
And carry coffee kill him off and your mother. Mama, look at mama, the saver and all this. Yeah, mama, you have some no story about mama too, you know.
Yeah.
Headless more and get the whole of them out of here, you know. The whole of your mama story them, cause mama,
Ma,
me tell people all the time, you know. Mama can't go to style, you know.
never. But to the me tell me husband, you know. Me say anytime we depart from this world,
Eh.
me can't go out of style.
No, cause you go turn the next mama. You go be the,
Me tell him.
you go be the next mama. Cause you have
Me,
enough attributes just like mama.
just like mama.
Yeah, mama,
Must
every
remember say
generation.
Lana would have do this. Lana would.
I see your mama, man. Every grandpit mama have a story, man. Me I tell you, but yes, people, another story from my mother, Miss Lana. You know what I mean? She full of the story, them. You see me? So. Much respect to the people again and bless upon yourself for the support and thank you very much for watching the video them. If you like the video, just drop a thumbs up on the video. So may I say so much respect again and until the next video, what we say Nana?
Out of here.
You out of here. Big up on yourself, people. Alright,
All right.
respect.
Respect.